Hello everyone, and welcome to Chasing Adventures. Today is surprisingly a beautiful day here in Washington State, and I just received KIngBird Hitch mount cargo carrier, and we're going to set it up on the Subaru Outback Wilderness, so let's get to it. So KIngBird asked me to review their cargo carrier, and I agreed because the last family trip that we did, we ran out of room in the car, and my wife barely had any room to sit. And plus, some of the instant tent is very long when it's folded and packed, so I had to fold the seats down in order to fit them, and that means there's no room for my wife to sit in the back seat with our baby. And they're a bit too heavy to put it in the rooftop cargo carrier. And did you know every time I put the car in the garage, I had to take off the rooftop cargo carrier and mount it back on every time I go camping? So I think it'll be a lot easier to use the hitch mount cargo carrier to carry all my camping gear. And I already have a hitch mount cargo carrier, but this one has some updated features that my old one doesn't. And I'll go over the differences in the video. So first, let's unbox it and install it on the car, and I'll go over the specs. So we have the base and the folding fence, and an angle shank, and a main bar, and two stabilizer rod, two ratchet straps, mounting hardwares, hitch stabilizer, reflective stickers, and a license plate holder. So let's assemble this all together and mount it on the car. All right, now that it's mounted, the overall dimensions are 60 inches long, 24 inches wide, and 14 inches tall. And the fence are designed to fold for easy loading and unloading of your cargo, and it's also easy to store it when not in use. And the angle shank will provide additional ground clearance. The cargo carrier is constructed from a heavy-duty tubular steel to promote high strength, and it's treated with anti-rust treatment on the surface with black powder coating for long-lasting durability. And it can support up to 500 pounds and has a license plate holder that can be adjusted to show the license plate when the cargo carrier is folded up. The dry weight of the cargo carrier is 72 pounds and it comes with a lifetime warranty. So let's put some travel luggage to see just how much room it has. And I have 3 luggages, but it has plenty of room for maybe 2 more. So that's a big cargo carrier. And I weigh around 155, and this is rated at 500 pounds, so it should support me without any issue. So let me get on it too. Not a problem. So the key differences between my current cargo carrier and the KIngBird's cargo carrier are that the fence is much higher, so I could securely place any cargo without worrying about tipping over while traveling. And that same tall fence can be folded so it's easier to store and it will take up less space than my current cargo carrier. And it also has an angle shank to provide higher ground clearance because my current one has a straight shank. And granted, I had it on my Prius V, but when it was loaded with cargo, it would sag the rear of the car and it will scrape everywhere. So hopefully with this angle shank, that wouldn't be an issue. And the bonus is that it comes with the hitch stabilizer, which I had to separately buy it. But this is a must-have when using your hitch to haul stuff around because otherwise it will rattle and move around. Now, one thing I wish they could have improved on is to add a grill or additional bar here on the side of the rail, because if I were to put a long, thin items, I'm afraid it might slip out from the side. But it also comes with a ratchet strap, which I also had to buy separately. But as long as it's tightly strapped on, it shouldn't be a problem. So, in conclusion, I'm pretty excited to use this in upcoming travels, and I'll update if I find anything else. But for this video, I'm happy with the cargo carrier. And if my information has been helpful, please like and subscribe if you're new for more content like this. And do check out my other videos too. So thank you all for watching, and until next time, keep chasing adventures, and bye for now.